My friends, how is everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. I hope you're having a great weekend. And today I'm here to share an unboxing or unbagging of some BB Craft goodies. So let's see what I got this time. Let me pull them out of the little, this is how they come. Little, a little just bubble envelope. So yes, what did I get? 4 things, something different. I try to pick out things that I can definitely use, and I kind of try to have something in mind that I'm going to use them for when I pick out BB Craft goodies. So if you haven't heard of BB Craft, it is a website where they sell lots of different types of crafty goodies. So if you've never looked at it, I have a link below to the website, and I will have all my products here that I picked up from them linked. Plus, I will have a coupon for you for percentage off your order. So check that out. All will be linked below. But I wanted to share with you what I picked up. So let's see, what should I show you first? Let's show you these little, I looked at everything when I first got it, so it all was wrapped in, these two were wrapped in cellophane also. So, but it's ready to go. So let's see if I can get this open. I like to try to keep things in there, like if they come in a little Ziploc bag, I try to keep it in there, you know, just for organizational purposes. But these are little snowflakes, and they have a little loop at the top. They are plastic, but I thought they would be fun in some Christmas crafting. Little, you know, bead dangles or something, and put this at the end. But I'm going to demonstrate what I'm going to do with all of these products in future videos, one next week and one the next week. So these are different colors, as you can see. Really cute. Probably about, what, 15 of them there, something like that. So really, really pretty. And then I got, let's see, the other Christmas related thing I got was this right here. Now it doesn't have to be Christmas, but it can be. So these are little angels. It's so cute. I never noticed them before. I just saw them this time when I went on to BB Craft. That's the thing. They have hundreds and thousands of things on their website that, and plus they're getting new things. They're always running really great specials. So yeah, their prices are really, really good. So anyway, these are little angels. They're already put together for you. Yes, you could buy the parts and make these yourselves, but the price was so good on these. I thought, why don't I, get some of these? Plus, I would have never thought to have put them together exactly like this. So it was kind of fun to see how these were put together. So anyway, little angels. They have a wood bead here. See, here's the little wings, gold wings, and the little wooden bead head there. And they're on a head pin. So you have the little loop right here. It was really interesting to see how these were made because I make things like this too. And so, yeah, the head pin, you have your loop that you can connect it to something. And they put a little tiny bead cap on the end here on the bottom. So, and then the head pin is just bent over here underneath, I think. It's hard to even see, but anyway, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, actually 5 pieces go into this little angel, as far as I can see. But I thought they were really cute. They're all different colors, so I thought those would be fun also in some little Christmassy bead dangle type things, or bead dangles to use anytime, because you can use them in so many ways in a bead dangle or by themselves, just on a bulb pin type of thing. So yeah, I think these are going to be a lot of fun, and you can see there's a lot in there. So you get a lot with this particular item. And then let me show you these next. I'll show you these last because I have a little story with those. But, I use notebook rings. Well, I think the thing I've been using them most for lately, now I haven't used them to make journals, to bind the cover together. But lately I've been using them mostly for my tassels. So I've never had colored ones. So I saw these and I thought, oh, let me try some of those because those are so cool. They're so pretty and shiny. So I thought these would be fun to make some tassels with. And they're the exact size that I like to use, this like 1-inch size. And they're just like any other notebook ring, except that they're different, lots of different colors, and you get a bunch in there. So then they just open up like any other, you know, notebook ring, real easy there, and then put it back together. So nice and sturdy. Okay, and so yeah, I want to make some tassels with these, with the colored, and see how that looks with all the colors of the tassels. So that will be fun. And then these, I actually thought, the story I have behind these is I thought they were cabochons. I don't know, maybe I clicked on it too much of it in a hurry or something, but they're so pretty. So that's why I'm going to use them like cabochons, but they are actually snap buttons. So let me show you what the difference between a snap button and a cabochon is. So I have cabochons, and the cabochon is just, this is a cabochon. It's this top part here, and these are really pretty. There are lots of butterflies and different pretty little things on them. This is, I'm trying to see what this is. I think it's a swan or something. Birds, and just all kind of little pretty things on there. And, but they're already, usually if you buy cabochons, they're just, that's what you get, just that top part there. But these are on a metal base. And that's what makes it into a, or turns it into a snap button. See? But this is a little set of just these snap buttons. So I ordered another little piece that I'll show you when it gets here. And when I work with these to make them into, I'm going to make these into charms. Even though they're not what I thought they would be. This will be a little something different for me that I've never used before. And I think they're going to turn out really cute, of course. And they're so pretty. And there's, you get a bunch, as you can see. There's a lot in here. So I'm going to turn these snap buttons, if you have some, you didn't know what to do with them. I'm going to show you how to turn these into, or if you always wanted to know what to do with them and you saw them on Beauty Craft or wherever, Amazon, they probably sell them on Amazon. And you're probably like wondering, what do you do with those? Of course, there's a lot of different things. I'm going to turn them into charms. You can use them probably for like journal closures if you wanted to put one of these excuse me, on the cover of a journal, as long as it's not too thick where this wouldn't fit through, where you could fasten it on the other side. So you know, if you use it on a book, you'd have to make like a hardback book cover. You'd have to make sure the book cover is not too thick where this wouldn't go through. But maybe another type of book cover where you're using some thin cardboard or cardstock with a little bit of paper coverage or fabric, this would fit through, and then you could fasten it on the other side. And this could be your little, like, put it where you would have a closure coming around from the back and going around this. You could use this for that too, a journal closure. But I'm going to turn these into, from demonstration purposes on one of my next videos, into charms, and I'm going to show you how I do that. And in the future, there's so many here, I may also use them for journal covers or a decoration. Now I wanted to see if I could just use them by themselves, like with something I already had, because I had to order a part to turn, another part to turn them into charms. But what I did was experiment with this little journal card I have here. And my voice is a little rough because it's morning. Sorry. I got my coffee here though, look. There you go. I'll take a drink. French vanilla cream this morning. So anyway, I experimented with it. Look at this, is a beautiful butterfly one. And so here's the back. I attached it with an eyelet. I had the two pieces, the eyelet. A lot of times maybe you don't use the second piece, but it has the little eyelet itself. And I put that over the back of this little piece here. And then, after I punched a hole, put it through here with my, I punched a hole with the big hole on my crocodile, because I know that fits my eyelets perfectly. Then I put this through there, and I put my eyelet around there, and the other little flat piece that comes with your, because I wanted to make sure it would stay on here, and I didn't know if it would stay on here with just an eyelet, so I put the little flat piece on there. Then I crunched it with my, scrunched it with my, crunched it with my crocodile, and it's on there really good. And I know because I pulled on it, I tried to pull it off and stuff. I mean, I didn't like use every ounce of muscle in my arms, but, or in my hands, but I pulled on it pretty good, like, you know, because you're not going to, if it's in a journal like that, you're not going to be, or somewhere, you're not going to be pulling on it. It's just going to be sitting there. But I just wanted to make sure, like, is it really on there? And so I took it and I pulled on it like that, and it was on there. It didn't come off. So that is one way you can use them with an eyelet. But and you could attach it to a journal like that. You know, if this was your journal cover, you could put it right down in here and attach it. So I wanted to show you that. That's how you could attach it. And then there's room under here, you know, to put a little something, if you want to wrap a little piece of jute twine around there, or baker's twine as your journal cover, or even a little ribbon or something. Nothing really chunky, but something little like that would fit under there. And that could be your journal closure, and wouldn't that be pretty? So stay tuned to see me turn these into charms. Make these in, use these with my colorful tassels, and then make little bead dangles or whatever I decide to do with my angels and my snowflakes. So this was a little fun little trip through BB Craft, and it's got different things that I've ever gotten on there before, and I've been demonstrating for BB Craft for a couple of years now, at least, I would say, and I always get something different, and it's always fun to get their goodies and turn them into, you know, things to use for junk journals. So thank you for watching today. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great Sunday, and see you tomorrow.